Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to change the visibility of your GitHub repositories. Whether you want to make your project public for the world to see or keep it private, this step-by-step tutorial has got you covered. I am logged into my one of the GitHub account and I am opening one of my project. And you can see it is currently public repository so everyone can see this repo. For changing this to private, click on Settings at the top nav tab. Then scroll down to bottom where the section labeled as Danger Zone. You will see this Change Visibility button here. Here you can see this repo is currently public. Click on Change Visibility and then select Change to Private. Then click on I want to make this repository private button. Then you can see what will happen if you switch from public to private repo. In short, it removes all stars and watches you gain when the repo is in public and this repo will not be publicly visible. Next, click on I understand button. Here provide the number of star you have currently for repo. In my case it is 1 so I type 1 and then click on Make this repo private button. Congratulations, now your repo is private. Now try to access this repo from another browser or someone else's computer, you will get 404 error page. Now let's make the same repo public again. Click on Settings at the top. Scroll down and you will see this repo is currently private. To make this public, click on Change Visibility and then select Change to Public. Then just click on button in the pop-up. You can read what happens if you change to public. Then click on I understand button. Again click on Make this repository public button. Congratulations, now your repo is public and can be accessible from anywhere publicly. Let's try to access the repo. You can see we are able to access it again. In this way we can change repo from public to private and vice versa. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.